Yo, what's cracking, everybody? Welcome to Days Bros. I'm Demented. I got my man Luce here,
Yo, what's cracking, everybody?
and today we're coming at you with a brand new series, Undisputed. Dan, Undisputed.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
But I have finally gotten this game, dog. Like, I've been trying to get this game for so long since it's been out, and now that I have access to it, finally bringing it to the channel. I'm about to show Luce a thing or two, even though he has more gameplay on it than I do. But give me your thoughts on the game. How do you feel on it? Because we played a lot of Fight Night.
Pretty good game, pretty solid game. Great graphics, great mechanics. It's got the whole works. It's got power punches, got different leave buttons you can do, so it seems pretty technical. Got a pretty good roster in it, a lot of different people. So
Why do you think they don't have Mike Tyson in here?
that's a good question. I didn't even know they didn't have him. I wonder if he's like a DLC or something.
I've looked everywhere. I could not find his
He's
character.
not?
Nah.
Hmm.
They got almost everybody else but him. But like they have a whole like different packs dedicated to certain eras of fighters.
Mm-hmm.
And like Mike Tyson's just not in there. Like they got Tommy Gunn in here. Like
For real?
Tommy Morrison.
Mm-hmm.
They got him in here. But
But
they
no
don't have
Mike.
Mike Tyson.
Yeah, that's weird.
But we're gonna jump into this. I'm playing as Rocky Marciano, and Luce is playing as
Jack Johnson.
Jack Johnson. I think this will be my sixth match playing this game, so I don't know how good it'll be. Nice little introduction to it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's jump into this. You want to do a little warm up real quick? You got parties?
Nah, let's get right into it.
It's good night.
Try to save you.
Throws the jab but does not score.
Nice. Going slow.
The straight right just misses. Good counter punch. That counter shot lands. What a pleasure it is to be here in this environment. What a venue for this showdown.
You have certain fighters that are born for this, that are made for the big crowd. And looking at corner right there, that is that fighter right there. They're elevated, lifted, it's like they're not touching the ground. This is what they were born for.
Back and forth they go. Neither fighter willing to back down.
Perfectly matched, skill for skill, tap for tap. Now this fight will say, you know what, I'm just that notch above you, and so I gotta respect both of them more than happy.
Rocky's a slow
Misses
fighter.
with that jab.
I think my guy's pretty. It might be because they're heavyweight. Probably.
A perfect counter shot. Can't score with that hook again.
The jiggle
If
effect.
someone punches that hard, you don't want to trade shots.
You can feel the impact of it.
Sounds like shotgun. I wish they would rematch a Fight Night.
With 10 seconds left.
That'd be nice.
Keeping the same mechanics. It's not going up now.
Oh, he's just taking a big breath, and here we go again. Let's see how they bounce back here in this round.
This is one of those situations, you've just been hurt, you've got to get out there again. Be smart, be sharp, don't be a fool, don't get suckered in. Make him fight your fight. Hold him, tie him up, just until your head clears again and your legs come back again. Because if you don't, he's going to pop you off.
When you're fighting a counter punch,
rigged,
the
son.
fight can be such a good weapon. Pretend you're going to punch, make the
Oh,
counter
shit.
puncher throw a punch, and then you counter them.
They have got great ring IQ. Counter punches are the best.
You need a fucking ring, son. Damn.
Nice counter.
Rocky!
Just misses that uppercut. Can they figure out the combination to this save?
Skill for skill, tap for tap. She's like a match made in heaven.
Missed with that jab. When you're training to fight a swarmer, Johnny, you know this better than anybody. You have got to be in peak physical condition because they're not going to let you breathe.
You got a swarm on your case. You know you've got to fight. You got to hold him. You got to tie him up. You got to lean on him when they come in until the referee makes you break up. But keep your hands high because they will keep punching till that referee said stop.
Those counter punches have to hurt. Very close round with 10 seconds to go.
Damn, that's good.
Good round, good round.
Let's get it started in round 3. That last round was huge for him, Johnny. How does he keep the momentum going?
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
Which one of these athletes is going to be the first to get rocked? Good idea, but misses with the left hook.
It's crazy how loud the crowd gets.
No, cool. They get louder.
Stamina
Makes the
is off
fight
the
so much
charts.
real.
And the camera shakes too.
Swing and a miss with that hook. Well done with that counter shot. By the way, the connect percentages have to be off the charts. And he scores with the counter. Tried to land the left hook, but it was blocked. These two fighters are made for one another. This round's still up for grabs with just 10 seconds to go. What about Johnson? And under the fourth we go. Well, there's no doubt about who won that last round. Let's see what he has for us here in the next one.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
Incredible work rate. Walk away from each other and then run right back into trouble. One punch could end this fight for either of these two heavyweights.
It's the one who draws first blood, Todd. That's what you've got to look at. If you're there and you know you're in there with a banger, you've got to be on it, but you've got to be confident.
Some nice exchanges from both men in this round.
They're so close, so close. How can you separate them? It's going to be a hard night tonight for the judges.
Press L3 to do that, by the way. What? The little lean I'm doing?
Misses with the straight left. They exchange punches. The straight right just misses. Nice counter shot. The straight right just misses. You can't make a mistake at the heavyweight level and not expect, you know the scorecards are going to be all over the place in this one.
That's boom.
On to the fifth we go. They've got all the momentum on their side after that last round. Let's see what they do here.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
Every time they drop their guard, they get caught. You've got someone with the hand speed that this fighter possesses. How do you deal with it?
When you have a fighter that's got that great footwork and that great hand speed, it's so hard. It's an uphill battle.
That counter punch caught him clean. One punch could change anything when these two step in the ring. They both want the knockout. Big shots from both these fighters. Got to be careful, though.
Skill for skill, tap for tap. It's like a match made in heaven.
Power is obviously the great equalizer in boxing, but when you know your opponent is relying on that so heavily, how do you deal with it?
You've got to be courageous when you get in there with someone that's bigger, stronger, and faster. You've just got to use brain there.
Catch and shoot. You couldn't write a script like this. This is like Rocky versus Apollo. Despite what the judges' scorecards read, there are no losers in this one.
That's a good one.
Started Johnson in that lap. There's the bell to start round 6. Coming off that fantastic last round, let's see if he can keep his momentum going.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
Not a lot of punch output. Thought there might be more action here. Has to be careful for that receipt. It's always coming. In the build up to this fight, Johnny, this power puncher told us, listen, I don't care if it's round 1 or round 12. I've got enough power and confidence to end this in one shot.
They know the second they touch you, it's done. They're that powerful.
The straight right just misses. Show us something, Rocky. And it appears the onslaught is over, at least for now.
Now they've got to wake up. They've got to get on the back foot, clear the head a little bit, then jump back into it again. It's all about the hustle. Get back on it.
The jab doesn't quite connect. Can't score with that right uppercut. This round could go either way. 10 seconds to go.
Good round, good round.
Go, it's round 7. Coming off that great round, let's see if they can build on momentum here.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
What do you think of this fight so far, Johnny?
What can they change? Can they slow the pace down? Can they hope to knock them out early? What can they do? They've got to concentrate and relax. Because you know what you can do in the gym, you can do it in the fight. You've got to relax.
His stamina is off the charts. Nice counter punch right up the middle. Do you believe what we're seeing? He threw a punch and just got countered. Those who thought this would be a mismatch, you are sorely wrong.
Perfectly matched, skill for skill, tap for tap. Now this fight will say, you know what, I'm just that notch above you, and so I've got to respect both of them. More than happy.
Nice counter shot. Is he going to punch himself out, though?
What? Oh,
Yeah, he is, dude. That's why he's never been knocked out.
A straight right just misses.
His stamina sucks, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Beautiful counter punch.
So, like, once I get to that much stamina bar, it's pretty much almost it.
Straight right just misses. Despite what the judges' scorecards read, there are no losers in this one.
That was a good round.
Let's talk about Johnson in that last round. Pretty dominant round there. Let's see how they respond here in the next round.
Dominance, without a doubt, made it look so easy.
Come on, do you want to win this fight?
Right.
Just to focus on what you're doing. You can't miss it.
He's the
Great
original
work, stay
Italian
focused,
stallion for real.
don't let him back in the next kid. Go back out there and win the round. Get back behind your jab. Face it.
And we enter the 8th round. Last round, complete domination. Let's see what we have in store for us here.
Todd, my motto is, if it's not broken, why change it? An excellent last round, everything works. Wait for the reaction. Until then, keep doing what you've just been doing because you've won that hands down.
Well, Johnny, has anything surprised you here as we enter the final frames of this bout?
So you're getting in there with someone that's so fast, you're prepared to take a licking because you've got to get some before you get in close.
Just missed with that hook. The straight right just misses. Good counter punching. Oh, do you believe this? Rocky Marciano is down.
Yeah,
I don't know. I got to take another look at that.
I need to see that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's like an interesting little mini game, huh?
I know, it's kind of more challenging the other way.
So they're back on their feet, but let's see how much they have left in the tank.
Somebody can smell blood here. They can smell blood. They've got to be smart. Get in there. Then boom, back in the same spot again. It happened once. You got away with it. You can do it again.
He's putting the pedal to the metal, but has to be careful that he doesn't run out of gas. Final 10 seconds here, and the corner better get warmed up. They've got some work to do. Marciano fighting to survive. He's never been knocked out.
Damn.
The judges have spoken.
You won by
a
a couple points.
unanimous decision victory.
Unanimous. You know what? Smart,
That was a good
smart
game,
side.
though.
Total change
Yeah, it's
of
not
argument.
cool and
No
nothing,
discussion, no
nothing.
mistake.
Didn't knock me
It
out,
was so
though.
obvious.
Alright, yo, this is a good stopping point for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Peace.